We all know that we have got a huge population, but per head production of these animals, it is not optimum. Unorganized sector is the main reason. But apart from that, there are a number of scientific reasons. And one of these problems is parasitism. Parasites are responsible for a substantial economic losses. The most important thing is to curb the economic losses, and for which the worms should be controlled. Initially, we started, eradication of the worms, but then we realized that, it is rather difficult. And that is how we have to live with the worm. The only thing, we have to build up the resilience in the animals, and the economic losses should not be too much. So any control involves three important steps, be it a parasitic infection, bacterial or viral infection. Number one is a prevention. Number two is a prophylaxis. And number three is treatment. In prevention, as I've said, that you have to break the life cycle. You have to interrupt the life cycle so that the life cycle cannot be completed and the worms can be eliminated from that area. So you have to, at a few places, break the life cycle. Then there are certain natural enemies of the free living stages of these parasites, which can be used for a biological control of these parasites, like the nematophagous fungi can also be used. Then genetic control is also possible. In prophylaxis, chemoprophylaxis by using anthelmintics, but it should be used very, very scientifically, strategically, judiciously. And then immunoprophylaxis, I don't think it has a future, at least in India. It is not feasible that to develop a vaccine. So vaccine is not the answer as far as India is concerned. And then the third part, which is equally important, and that is treatment. When you treat the animals, you are cutting down the source of infection for the other animals. So by using anthelmintics, then don't use it casually. Use it very thoughtfully by considering different aspects